Okay, so I just decided to start making some quick random videos and just see how this goes. So I remember when I used to teach, I always used to tell students if I had 5 to 10 minutes left, this would be like the lesson I would always teach, uh, sort of like a nuclear option. So it's about mathematical expectation, and it's actually a true story. So it was back in 2000, it's 2000 and something. I forget. So I'm just choosing my pen here. So look at the right size of it. Let's make it a bit bigger. So I think it was back in 2007. Okay, so and I was at Best Buy, which I believe is still around. And I went to purchase a $300 Hewlett Packard scanner printer. Do people still scan? Scammer. Should be called scammer because I'm probably thinking like of what Best Buy was going to do to me. Scanner, printer, fax machine, all the things that we don't need anymore. Really? Okay. So I was on a Sunday, and I think I already knew what I was going to get in, get out, and it was kind of rainy. So actually the transaction would I was it was really fast. Except what happened was the person asked if I wanted to buy an extended warranty, and I kept saying no, no, not interested. I I I, I was almost out there, uh, out to the parking lot. But then finally, the person said, "Look, it's kind of silly not to buy an extended warranty to protect your new investment." And I said, "Okay, well, you got a couple minutes, Jeff. I think that was his name." I said, "I'm going to show you. I'm going to school you on the most important mathematical formula, um, probability event times its value." Okay. And so he's going, "Okay," because I asked for a pen and paper. So the first thing I said is, Jeff, if I buy this warranty, what do I win? So now I changed the language to win just to make it in terms of that sort of expected sort of vernacular. He's kind of confused. Like, okay, what will Best Buy give me if my printer breaks down? Oh, we'll give you a brand new printer scan. I go, fine, let's fill that in, $300. And I said, Jeff, what's the probability that it's going to break down? So I'm going to write it as a fraction, right? So give me some probability, Jeff. And he goes, I don't know. I said, that's fair enough. I said, that's fair enough that you don't know. But I said, this is Hewlett Packard. They're a multi-billion-dollar corporation. They're not in the business of making crap. And the standard manufacturing defect is about 1 to 2%. Because if it's any higher, then that product is probably going to be discontinued. Stakeholders are going to get sort of irked. That's how it goes. So, I said, Jeff, I'm not going to make it as low as 1 or 2%. I'll make it higher. So let's sort of compromise on a number. I said 5%, and I wrote that as 1 over 20. So he was comfortable with this. And I started multiplying it about 1 times 300 is 300 divided by 20 is $15. I go, Jeff, I'm going to win $15. And he goes, I don't think he understood, but he was glad the conversation was over. But it wasn't. Because I asked Jeff, what's the cost of the warranty? Well, the cost of the warranty was $59.95, $60. Oh, we can start doing some math now. 15 take away 60 is negative 45. That is like 10 times the markup against the worst casino game, minus 75%. Even blackjack is it actually has moments where it's a positive expectation. That's why if blackjack was invented today, it wouldn't be offered, but it's been around. That's why historically it's still a game. But the worst games are maybe minus 7, 8%. Maybe it's craps. This is minus 75. And then I said, Jeff, if you don't understand it that way, imagine if 20 people walked in and everybody bought the warranty. That's $1,200 Best Buy is collected. And most likely one person out of that 20, maybe even less, is going to walk through the doors of Best Buy over the next couple of years and say, I need a brand new scanner, fax machine, printer. And then with those wad of $100 bills, I'm just speaking figuratively, they're going to have to subtract $300. Best Buy still made close to $1,000 selling nothing but crappy mathematics. Let's stop talking about application in terms of, butter knives and safety scissors. Let's offer our students mathematics which has some teeth. Thank you.